Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. Okay, so a lot of you guys who follow me, you know I used to live in California and we moved to Nevada. And I made a video of the whole time that we were moving. So now we've been here a year, a little over a year, believe it or not, how time flies. And we've done a lot of things to the house. It looks a lot different than it used to. So I kind of thought that channel on TV that shows all the before and afters of houses, we still have a few things we're going to do, but I figured I'd show you all the progress that we've made here in Nevada to this house. It looks a lot different than it used to. And so I'm going to show you that. Mainly, I wanted you guys to come along because we're going to have a party. I'm having a party. It's a girl party. There's going to be about 10 to 12 girls, okay? And we're going to make a lot of food. Everybody's bringing food. It's just going to be fun. Whoever wants to get into the pool can get into the pool. So I'm going to bring you guys along to this party. And I have a lot of interesting friends. I'm going to tell you about 3 of them because they have kind of interesting stories. Now, one of them tried out for the Olympics and was only beat out by 1 girl. And that's a big accomplishment right there. She ended up here in Vegas, and she was working on that show O. It's a show at the Bellagio. It's one of those Circus Olay shows. And so she was working there and decided that wasn't going to be the life for her, and she ended up getting into nursing. I think that was a lot better for her future in the long term. And one of the other girls, she just graduated from college, and she has a master's degree. And she's opening up her own clinic in therapy. So she's a real smart girl, beautiful too. All my friends are beautiful. And the third girl who has a very interesting story, because all of you guys know who her uncle was. Her uncle was Vernon Stouffer. That Vernon Stouffer. He started the frozen foods. So she told me a very interesting story about when she was 3 years old. I thought it was so funny. She's 3 years old and she hears her father and her uncle talking about Walt Disney. He's going to come over for a barbecue. And her 3-year-old self goes running in, "Uncle, you're going to have Walt Disney at your house?" And he says, "Oh, sorry, sweetie, no kids allowed. It's only for adults." And I guess they were going to talk some kind of business. And she's so upset. "I don't get to go meet Mr. Disney?" She screams out, "But Mr. Disney loves children." And she was so upset, she ran out of the house onto the driveway and she passed out. 3 years old. Oh my goodness, that made me laugh. I told her, you were a drama queen at 3 years old? Anyway, so that's pretty interesting. So that's one of my friends here in Vegas. So I have very interesting friends. All my friends are really beautiful people. So come along. I'll show you all the food and everything. So let's spend time together. So this is what our house looked like when we first bought it. Very plain, very little color. And this is when we had a little paint put on and some brickwork and landscaping. This is the backyard. It was nice. It was all grass. Well, we added a pool and lots of landscaping and a large patio. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys my little courtyard. So come on, my nephew is filming me, so that way I can show you all the details. Okay, so this is my front gate right here. So it goes into a little courtyard right here. So when we bought the house, it already had this big water feature, and we didn't even know if it worked or not. But it does. And we ended up painting things right here, and these are planters. And so I ordered this little bench, and I like red, you can tell. And I ordered my outside rug. And then over here I have a little seating area right here too. And my plants. And this is a very comfortable little area just to hang out on a nice day. Okay? So this is my courtyard leading into the house. So let me slowly show you the courtyard, all in one take. Okay, then you go around this way, and there's my little chair over here. Very nice. And I have another planter right there, but that plant died. Oh well. Okay, so now let's go inside. I'll just show you what I'm doing in there. I'm bringing you to my party. Okay, so right here I have some presents for the girls. I like to do that. It's just a little extra when I'm having my parties with my friends. So I bought some little goodies. I'll show you what's inside those bags eventually. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have about 10 to 12 girls who are gonna end up showing up. Okay, so, and every house is different. You have to set it up differently. So I have a little table right here. I found these. I had these all stored somewhere, and I'm just putting them out just to be pretty. I wish I had matching tablecloths everywhere, but I don't. But I'm doing what I can. So right here, I'm gonna set up all the food tables right here. So I'll have a big salad. We're gonna have some penne pasta. Somebody's bringing barbecue. We're gonna have a lot of good food. Okay, so now let me show you my backyard. So I want to show you what I have for the pool. So I bought one of those big crocodiles, alligators, whatever they are, and then we have some of these, and I have a big noodle right here. So, okay, so let's go outside. I'll show you my backyard. Some of you guys know that we did redo this backyard and I showed you the before and after pictures. So I bought my little set right here for seating, so everybody can sit down, and I got these little end tables at a place called Home Goods, and so it'll be comfortable. And whoever wants to sit over there and be the lifeguard. So there's the pool. I bought a couple of umbrellas. We have our little grass area for the doggy, and then over here I have a big. This came with the house. This big barbecue area that came with the house. So this is my backyard, and so my friends will be here soon. I'll show you the food once it all gets here, and you can be part of the party. Okay, so I'm going to show you what is in the bags. I wanted to show you what's in the goodie bags. Okay. Okay, so first of all, right here, I have a pretty mug. Okay, see, there's lots of color. It's very, very pretty. Just a nice, it's a little mug. And then I have this set of spoons. Very cute, they're very small, and they're just a nice little gift. And last is a little scratch pad. Just a scratch pad. Who doesn't need a scratch pad? So that's what's in the bag. Just a few little goodies for my girls. So I'm going to show you guys a few things that were the selections of food. We had some nice cookies, corn dip. We had a pickle cream cheese pastrami appetizer, some deviled eggs, and lots of good stuff here. We have some meatball. This is my corn dip. My corn dip that's on my channel. I'll leave the link. We have an enchilada casserole, some pot stickers with some side dips, Alfredo chicken penne, cornbread casserole, some fruit salad, and lots of goodies. Okay, and here's some very, very good. This is called masubi, and it's a Filipino. This is a Hawaiian dish, masubi. Can't wait to try that. Here's the girls. And there's a lot more coming. Yes, everybody's having a good time. Everybody's just hanging out. Mr. Alligator's by himself.
And I'm getting. Yeah. Okay. I've never done it. No,
So this was my girl party. My friends all came over and we had a really nice day. I'm very glad that I was able to share it with all of you guys. Thank you for coming along. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.